Samsung is expected to unveil the Z Fold 7 this July, following last year's launch of the Z Fold 6. Samsung has made remarkable strides in the foldable phone category. The upcoming Z Fold 7 not only introduces further innovation but also delivers major enhancements in design, performance, display, and more. While Samsung continues to lead in foldable technology, its devices remain among the most premium-priced. With new models arriving later this year, comparing the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to the Z Fold 6 can help assess whether the rumored upgrades justify the steep price tag. Last year's Z Fold 6 saw a $100 price hike. Although it featured a lighter, slimmer, and more durable design, battery improvements were modest and camera changes were minimal. Apart from portability, there was little reason to switch to a foldable tablet. The Z Fold 7 appears to carry forward Samsung's focus on slimness, if leaks hold true, but additional upgrades may bring significant improvements over the Z Fold 6. While nothing has been officially confirmed, enough rumors have emerged to map out expected changes in the Z Fold 7 versus Z Fold 6 comparison. So stay tuned to discover what Samsung may be planning for this year's foldable refresh. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 debuted at $1,899, making it one of the costliest smartphones available, $100 more than its predecessor, the Z Fold 5. The Z Fold 7 and Z Fold 6 differ notably in design. The Z Fold 7 is just 4.5 mm thick and 9.95 mm folded, including the camera bump, which is 1.1 mm thinner than the Z Fold 6. Visually, the Z Fold 7 adopts a more rounded design, resembling the S25 Ultra. Previous Z Fold models featured sharper edges, but the Z Fold 7 abandons that for a sleeker, modern look. The outer screen is also wider at 6.5 inches, about 11 millimeters more than last year's model, making one-handed use more practical. The internal display reaches 8.2 inches, slightly larger than the Z Fold 6, and now the largest folding screen in the market, surpassing the Oppo Find N5's 8.12 inches. Both the Z Fold 7's inner and outer panels use AMOLED technology, offering vibrant visuals and deep contrast for a more immersive entertainment experience. The front display has grown from the Z Fold SIX's 6.2 inches to 6.5 inches, boosting usability for those who prefer compact yet functional designs. In terms of performance, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, the same flagship processor found in the Galaxy S25 series. It delivers powerful graphics and improved multitasking, especially for resource-heavy apps and games. In comparison, the Z Fold 6 uses the older Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which, while capable, falls slightly behind in GPU and AI performance. Though the Z Fold 7 brings significant performance gains, battery capacity remains at 4,400 mAh, same as its predecessor. However, efficiency improvements from the Snapdragon 8 Elite should result in better battery life. In photography, the Z Fold 7 sees major improvements. Its main camera boasts a 200MP sensor, a big leap from the Z Fold SIX's 100MP lens, offering greater detail and image sharpness. It also includes a 12MP ultra-wide lens and a 10MP telephoto lens for enhanced versatility. For selfies, the outer camera is 10MP, while the inner screen houses a 4MP under-display camera, promising better front-facing shots. Altogether, the Z Fold 7's camera system improves both in resolution and image quality, making it a great pick for photography enthusiasts. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 offers meaningful upgrades across design, performance, display, and camera systems compared to the Z Fold 6. Improvements in thickness, screen size, chipset, and camera layout contribute to a smoother and more refined user experience. With such enhancements, the Z Fold 7 could be among the top foldables of 2025. Reports also suggest the Z Fold 7 will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip like the Galaxy S25 series, while the Z Flip 7 might use the Exynos 2500, indicating separate chipsets for Samsung's foldables. The Z Fold 7 is expected to start at 256GB storage, with 512GB and 1TB options available for higher prices. RAM is likely to remain at 12 GB as seen in the Z Fold 6, though a bump to 16 GB would further improve multitasking and AI functions. Battery specs are anticipated to stay at 4,400 mAh with 25W wired and 15W wireless charging. While the capacity hasn't increased, the new processor may help the Z Fold 7 last longer on a single charge. However, stronger battery upgrades would be welcome, given competitors now offer larger batteries. Samsung is expected to include One UI 7, featuring the new AI writing tools, the now brief daily summary, and a refreshed visual interface. Additional Galaxy AI functions may also appear, similar to how the Z Fold 6 introduced Sketch-to-Image. Samsung's foldables have long supported the S Pen, but in pursuit of a slimmer profile, the Z Fold 7 might eliminate the pen digitizer, the layer that detects stylus input. However, another source suggests Samsung may release a new S Pen alongside a Z Fold S variant, featuring a redesigned tip and larger body. Hopefully, that rumor is accurate, as losing stylus support would be a setback for such a large display. Based on previous launches, the Z Fold 7 will likely be announced in July and hit stores by late July or August. Pricing remains uncertain, but we hope it stays at $1,899 for the 256 GB version. A second price hike would be hard to justify. Reports suggest lower production volumes for the Z Fold 7, possibly making it harder to find. This could be due to Samsung adjusting its strategy as it still struggles to convince mainstream users to ditch traditional phones for foldables. There's still time before the Z Fold 7 officially appears, and more rumors may reshape our expectations. As of now, this model seems to mark a turning point in Samsung's foldable strategy, offering larger screens but skipping pen support or big battery boosts. One key advantage Samsung holds is software and Galaxy AI. As a pioneer in foldables, Samsung has led the way in interface and feature development. With One UI evolving and Galaxy AI becoming increasingly capable, the Z Fold May 7th stand out against Google, OnePlus, and other competitors, positioning it as a leader in the best foldable phone race. That wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. See you next time.